Welcome to TopDealWebsite.com's new product releases. Here comes a new NAS server from Mouse Computer, the Mouse Pro SV200 ESE. Designed for SMB/SOHO users, the device is equipped with a 3.0 GHz Intel Pentium G2030 processor, an Intel HD graphics, a 4 GB DDR3 RAM, a 500 GB of storage, 6x USB 2.0 ports, 2x Gigabit Ethernet, and runs on Windows Server 2012 Essentials OS. The Mouse Pro SV200 ESE is available now for 104,790 yen, about $1,071. Source: TechFresh.net. For more information on this, visit us at TopDealWebsite.com.